Sure, Audi have the Audi Keyless entry option, but you're not entirely sure how the Audi Keyless entry option works? Or do you recognize the situation when the battery of the key fob is empty and you don't know how to open the car? No worries, just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the Audi Keyless entry option and also how to open the car when the battery of the Audi key fob is empty. Audi Keyless Entry is a convenient feature that allows you to lock and unlock your vehicle without using a traditional key. And here is how it works. The key fob contains a small radio transmitter that communicates with your Audi. Make sure that you have the Audi key fob near you, for example in your pocket or bag, and near your car. To unlock your Audi, grab the door handle. The car will recognize that the key fob is nearby and will automatically unlock the doors. Also, if you hold the door handle a little longer, you can also automatically open the windows and, if optional, the panoramic roof. Once you are inside the car, you can start the engine by pressing the start-stop button as long as the key fob is inside the car. The Sure Audi have the power tailgate option that you can also open or close the tailgate without using your keys. You can open the Audi power tailgate by just grab and click the raise button underneath the Audi rings, by clicking the buttons in the driver's door panel, and for closing hold the button for a few seconds, by press and double click the middle button on the Audi key. This option only works when the engine is off, and if optional, if your Audi has the hands-free luggage compartment option, by just swiping your feet underneath the boot. To lock the car, simply touch the door handle. The car will beep once and exterior lights will flash to confirm that it's locked. Besides, if you touch the door handle a little longer, you can automatically close the windows and, if optional, the panoramic roof. Would you like to personalize your settings for the Audi Keyless Entry option? Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Click on Central Locking. You will now enter the menu where you can set and adjust the multiple settings for the Audi Keyless Entry option for all doors or only the driver's door. Overall, Audi Keyless Entry is a simple and convenient way to access your car without using the traditional key. But of course, it's also possible to just use your key. But what to do if the battery of the Audi key fob is empty? To open your Audi, you will need the actual Audi key, which you can find in the Audi key fob. To open the car's door, you will need to find the keyhole, which is most often located on the driver's door handle. In case of the Audi Q8, you will find a first keyhole underneath the door handle, which you gently need to remove to find the actual keyhole. When you have opened the car, you will need to find the key icon, which is most often located in the center console or on the side of the steering column. Hold your key close to the key icon and press the start-stop button twice to start your Audi. And of course, make sure that you will replace the battery ASAP. Curious how to do so? Watch the Audi car key replacement video at VAG Car Tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.